with the big old backpack.
Yeah, you got the huge backpack.
I knew it would be tight in here, and I'm already a big guy. Well,
Yeah.
but
A big backpack is not a
I'm
good
not
thing.
gonna help you.
That's my head.
Hey.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
It's so steep.
Imagine it was wet and we just slid down there.
That's like a fun dude.
Ow, my butt. That's a
Anybody
snake. This one hurts.
Oh, the weather outside is
I swear you're trying to keep me from sweating.
Give him some space.
I am.
Let's go.
Yo, it's legitimate.
Hey, are you in chorus?
I'm just in it right now.
Good. Hey, you want to see some bowling?
I'm in it.
Oh dear.
About place going.
Yeah, well, we get the drop over there for this
That feet first.
Yo, it's so cool.
Ow.
Over here, there's like a big
I didn't think we're going that way.
Wedgie.
Dude, there's a hole over there. Pull over there. Pull over there. But I think we're gonna go that way because there's a lot of footprints.
Okay, in here, there's a lot of places you could poke around in this hallway. Some of the holes dead end, some of them loop around and come back out here.
Right here, if you guys want to stay here.
Huh? If you want to just sit and relax, you can do that. It's up to you.
Or are you staying here?
This little area is big.
There's one that's all the way back here
Yeah.
that goes up. We're going to avoid that today, okay?
Okay.
And
So
we're going to
once
stay in this area.
So once it starts to go up, don't go through there.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, where are we going down?
If you go down here,
Just once it
there's a
goes
couple
up.
of holes to the left that go into the next hallway.
So we're just gonna sit here and rest right now?
Yeah, you can stay here and rest. Poke around in the holes if you want. Just kind of explore.
Hey, Wyatt, come on.
It's a nice place to look.
They want to turn back.
No, I'm gonna relax because I already did a lot of stuff already.
What type of stone is this?
Let's not
Limestone.
Limestone. Yeah.
You know, I will.
Why is it
It's
flat?
so deep down there.
Yeah, no, let's not head down there.
What, over here?
Yeah.
It's not that deep. You know that, right?
Hey, should we
It's
head
not,
down that
yeah.
little hole?
Don't do it. I do.
Should we head down that little hole there?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do it.
Different holes go different places. Some of them don't go anywhere. Some of them
Hey
will.
guys, I'm gonna eat my beef stick. I'm gonna come down with you
Let's
after.
wait for him, guys.
No, y'all are good. I'm
I
over
forgot
here.
about the beef stick.
What?
You out there?
Probably not the beef stick.
Yeah, but you'll do
Wherever you want.
Uh,
Come on, I'm gonna turn.
It
so
might
should
not
we
be a
just
dead
leave
end.
leave our bags here?
Looks
Yeah,
like
you
it
could do
from
that.
my angle.
Alright. Hey guys, wait, I'm gonna come down with y'all.
Hurry up.
I'm going down next.
Let me get my gloves on. Give me a second.
No, just go ahead. Oh,
I don't remember which one
I'm
loops.
so sweaty right now.
I know
Y'all are
one of them loops.
I'm sweating so bad.
Some of them dead end.
Bro, I don't.
I'm wearing 2 layers.
I'm wearing leggings, a t-shirt, and sweater currently.
I'm wearing just jeans and a t-shirt.
I have
It's
this.
really, really hot.
I have this, a tank top.
I sweat very easily.
Oh my
Dude,
God.
where'd you go?
Fine.
it's a dead end, and one might not be a dead end, but it's way too skinny for anyone.
Skinny. I earn money.
Wait, no.
Wyatt, out of everything here, you're not that one word.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, this like goes down.
Let me see, dude. Should we go down?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go down.
Come on, dude.
Oh, my back is popped.
Oh, Wyatt.
That's wonderful.
Wyatt, can you roll over there?
Oh, my back's got stabbed by a
Oh,
rock.
oh my God. That was hard.
I'm coming, dude. I'm coming.
Dig it up for me.
Now.
I want to go somewhere.
That's how you do it.
Come on, dude.
Wait a minute, where does this one lead to right here?
I don't know, there's a bunch of noodles.
You gotta find out.
It's like a spaghetti cake.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Oh
dude, give us a second, please.
That's common.
I'm gonna burn so bad. I'm gonna burn a lot of
Yeah, I'm burning a lot of calories doing this.
You're
I'm
young.
a lot of weight.
Good. You're still in elementary school. Don't worry about it.
Okay. So you're telling me you guys have to worry about calories?
Yeah, more so than you.
Not worry about colors. I think I can tell.
When you don't move. We're behind the desk all day.
Hey, dude, can you please give us a second?
Yeah, I wouldn't be that close to his feet.
Who was it? Was
This
it?
is for my face then.
How old is he?
You good?
How old's Sebastian?
What?
How old are you?
11?
11. He's doing good. He's doing really good.
Yeah, it was.
Wyatt, look, you're finishing it.
I was pretty good.
Come on.
Nathan.
Kevin doesn't want to do anything. Let's, no excuse. Fine. I know someone that can diagnose your concussion down the street.
What you saying?
Just keep going.
What? Come on, guys. Keep pushing.
So, do you think we lost them yet?
Come on, it ain't gonna be.
There's a weird white spot here.
There's like a tiny hole here.
It's French.
So we lost them?
There's a white something around there.
Yeah.
That's not one of yours, huh?
Oh, God, you're like a drop.
I'll have to carry it out.
Is it stretching?
It looks so, but no one was up here that would have one.
Oh, this was mine.
Yo, guys, it's like a very small hole.
No? Okay.
Yo, guys, we gotta go check it out.
Ash was worried about being a concussion. I said, oh, I know someone that can diagnose it down the street.
Mom and stuff. What the fear of God, So I was at the Cave of the Mounds last couple summers ago.
What's that?
Cave of the Mounds in Wisconsin is where we've gone to before.
Yeah?
It's nice there. We've got a nice little program.
Sounds good.
We've done there's a tuna cave outside of Altoona.
Yeah?
That one was fun to do with the kids.
That's nice. That's a nice one.
We stumbled upon that driving home from Del Grosso's one time.
Nice.
Kids really liked it. Yeah.
How far back in did you get into that?
Well, I didn't go that far because we weren't too prepared, but
Okay.
and we went into the big one, and then there's a smaller one off to the side.
Yeah.
We went a little bit into. We're going to Luray this weekend, I think. Well, next weekend, I think.
Wow.
When I was in college, we did mapping of underground underground mines, because what happened is they mine everything, and then the ground will, leave it there right now. So like they need to know where these workings are and stuff, and you have to go to a active mine for that project. So they took you down in the coal bucket, you know,
That must be pretty
600
cool.
feet. Yeah, that was different. Get all black and on there instead of all.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They wouldn't let the girls in the mine because they didn't have steel-toe boots.
Yeah.
We had to borrow someone's boots. I think I had to borrow someone's to get in. So. You didn't tell us that we had steel toes.
They're just going at it then.
Yeah, that's the core adventure group there. We appreciate you doing this with us.
My pleasure. I enjoy this. Listening to them, I get a kick out of it. They're discovering something.
I've led youth a lot of times, and it's stuff like this that sparks interest and careers and
Yeah.
things like that. That's why I'm always energetic to do stuff like this. So this is limestone?
Yeah, it's all limestone.
There's some of the black stuff that's worn down, but that's black limestone?
Yeah.
So what was this a mine for originally, all the other side there?
That was just for lime,
Just
just
lime.
for paving the roads. Back in, I think they said it was in the 30s.
Now, something I read about this said that this has a unique feature to it that is more than anywhere else in the United States.
Yeah.
What is that feature?
I think it's just 2,400 linear feet of passage. It's
Okay.
huge for Pennsylvania. I don't know about the rest of the other caves, but the features are.
Yeah, because it was saying something about like one of the cave features, I can't remember what it was pretty extensive. It used to be better, but before that was vandalized.
Yeah, that would be probably out front. There were a lot of columns out front. And they got pretty well.
I'll never understand why people do that stuff.
They don't know any better.
I mean, kids I get because kids are ignorant sometimes, but
Yeah,
adults always boggles my mind.
yeah.
Oh my god, oh god, I just fit in here.
That was Wyatt.
Around these kids too long, he knows their noises.
He didn't have a VBS for a whole week.
That's kind of awesome.
I'm gonna be there Friday.
T-shirt. The one that
What age group?
because our Sunday school junior church is K through 5. Because once you're in 6th grade, you're old enough to have a right, so therefore you are old enough for youth group.
Yeah, that's what, we don't have, what age is it? 5th grade, I think you age out of junior church in our church.
There's this one boy, Buddy, who is an acolyte, so he's, obviously older, going into 7th grade, but he keeps going back to junior church, and I tried to tell his mom, I was like, dude, your son, Buddy, so therefore he stays in service.
Good, Bonnie.
And then like,
Well, you invited me to.
whenever Buddy does something wrong, and we like call him out on it, his mom goes, it's because he's gone, isn't he?
Don't mind if he's back here. That's good.
And I was like,
Let me the kids know at New Freedom that, or New Creation that, they're more than welcome at the youth group.
we're
We do-
trying to get the youth group set up because of the canoodles, they're adopted. All 3 of them are adopted.
Poodles.
Canoodles. It's Bunny, Erica, and Alexis. Erica has a habit of snooping through things that are not hers, including the pastor stuff, and I call her in the house, and I was like, what are you doing? You should not be in here.
I know I just smell so bad.
No, then why are you in here? Because I want to get you out. And like, the thing is, the office was locked, so she obviously opened it somehow. Alexis is the youngest one. Does not know how to blow her nose, so constantly all I hear is snotting behind me, because I sit right behind us.
Great.
You know, other people are coming out behind you, buddy.
Grab the arms and doors. Or grab my wallet. Okay, well grab the bag and go that way. Throw the order in my bag. Holy macaroni.
That got tight. They're still back there. They found this other hole thingy,
Yeah.
so they're exploring.
Holy
I ain't
macaroni.
gonna do that without an adult.
Okay.
But no, it's probably gonna go back there.
I smell so bad.
Yep.
Like, so bad.
Yeah.
It's not even
You should
funny.
ask Brittany about her accolading experiences. She grew up through that with them, so.
Alright, mine, Wyatt, so you have your viewers involved.
Darn these gloves.
We're still here.
Huh?
Where are you going?
Over there.
Why?
To the can.
That requires me to move. I don't know how it's gonna end for me.
It's just too comfortable.
Alright, hang on,
Yeah.
take
I
Wyatt's
dug in
bag.
there, you see that?
Why am I taking my thing?
Wyatt, come up here. Alright, grab that, Jacob.
This is a very popular pattern for 31.
Mariah?
Me too. I can take them out there and do anything too.
That's nice.
Oh my god.
You wouldn't be able to fit through these just with that bag.
Yeah, I'm thinking that right now.
It's funny, has two roots of bastions across the thing.